In this video, I'll demonstrate how to tell when a Lotek tag has been activated by using only a radio dongle and a laptop. The software we'll be using in this video is called SDR++, which can be installed for Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. This method has been tested for the following radios: the FunCube Dongle Pro Plus, RTL SDR, AirSpy Mini, and AirSpy HF Plus Discovery. Before you begin, you'll need to download and install SDR++ from the GitHub repository using the link found in the video description. If you're using FunCube Dongle Pro Plus, you'll also need to download the FunCube Dongle Frequency Control program. A link for that program can also be found in the description. To begin, plug in your radio dongle of choice and then start up SDR++. On the left-hand pane, under Source, use the first drop-down to select your dongle of choice. If you are using the FunCube dongle, select Audio. You'll then need to run the FunCube dongle frequency control program, download it in step 1, and use it to enter the correct frequency you want to listen to in kilohertz, and click Set Frequency. In this example, I'm using tags that are tuned to 166.380 megahertz, and so I'm going to set the frequency to 4 kilohertz below that frequency, which is 166.376 megahertz. I'll mention the reason why this is important shortly. Next, use the second drop-down to select the correct device. If no device appears in the drop-down, click the refresh button. Use the third drop-down to select the sample frequency. For the FunCube dongle, you'll need to have this set to 48 kilohertz. For the other dongles, it doesn't matter as much. Now you can set the frequency using the controls at the top of the window next to the volume controls. This frequency is going to have to be the tag frequency minus 4 kilohertz. For example, if you're going to listen to 166.380 megahertz, you'll need to set it to 166.376 megahertz. This is to avoid the DC spike which occurs at the tuned frequency, which can obscure the tag signals. At this point, you can now click on the play button at the top left of the window to start listening to the radio. What you'll notice is that for the higher sample rates, the wider the frequency range that is being measured at once, and so you might need to zoom in a little bit more. Use the controls on the right-hand side of the window to set the zoom level as well as the minimum and maximum gain settings to make it easier to see or hear the signals from the tag. Set the maximum signal to the lowest value and increase the minimum signal value until you start seeing a little bit of noise appear in the background. When a tag gets activated, you should see a series of 4 horizontal lines appear on the waterfall plot, and you'll hear a series of 4 clicks called a chirp.